Hi everyone, this is me, Sminzy. I am here with an elegant beaded bead earring project. I hope you would like it, and I will wait for your comments and subscriptions and likes. So let's start. We have to pick 5 silver and golden Bicones, 3 mm Bicones we are using in this project. These are 5 Bicones, 1 gold, 1 silver, 1 gold, 1 silver. In this way we picked 5, and now we are making double knots. After making double knots, we will start our first round. In this round, actually we have to make circles of circles of each circle will contain 5 beads, 5 Bicones. So first circle we made, and now second circle we are making. We have added 4. First time we added 5, then in second circle we added 4 because we picked one previous bead, and including this previous we have added 4 more, and in this way we made it 5. Now we have picked 3 Bicones, 1 gold, 1 silver and 1 gold, and now we have to include 2 previous silver Bicones and adding 3 new Bicones. We made it 5. In this way, one more circle is added. Very interesting. This process, beaded beads process, is very interesting, and you have seen many beaded bead videos, tutorials, but I have tried my best to make it easier and easier. So all steps I have done very slowly, very slowly. I have tried to make it easier to learning purpose. Now we have added 3, including 2 previous silver beads. We have to make it 5. In this way, one more circle is added. Now we pass through. You can see here we have 3 golden Bicones. This is the last step of this round, and we have to make it these 5. We are adding 2 more to these 3 golden Bicones. In this way, this round is complete. Almost half beaded bead is done. This is in my hands. Now the other part, half beaded bead, we have to make here. We are passing through. We have passed through 1 silver Bicone, previous Bicone. Now here are 2 before us, 2 silver Bicones of previous round, and we have to add 3 more to these 2 silver Bicones. You can see here are the 5 beads of next circle. Now we have to pass to these 2 next golden Bicones of previous round, and here we have 3 gold Bicones, and we have to add 2 more Bicones here. One gold and one silver we picked, and in this way we made it 5, including previous 3 golden. We have made a more circle, one more circle, and now we have to go to next 2 silver bicones of previous round, and in this way 1 gold and 2 silver are there already, and now we picked 2 more to make it 5, to make a new circle. In this way we will make one more circle of 5 bicones. Very easy and very interesting process is here with beaded bead. I hope after watching today's tutorial, many friends, beading friends, can make now beaded bead earrings easily, because this step-by-step tutorial is very clear for all viewers. Now here, watch carefully. We have 4 bicones, 2 silver on right side and 2 other on other side, on opposite side, golden. 2 golden and 2 silver. Total 4 bicones are there before us, and we have to add here only 1 to make it 5 circle. So 5 bicones will be there, including these 4. We will add only 1 bicone will be added here. We are passing through these 4 bicones. I have pointed these 4 bicones, so you can easily find these 4 bicones. We have to add here only 1 bicone here, silver bicone we are adding here. In this way 1 more circle of 5 bicones will be made, and after adding 1 bicone, after making this circle, our beaded bead is complete. It is complete now. Very elegant, very sparkling, silver and goldens, very nice combination. I hope you will like it. And now we have to reinforce all beaded circles one by one. It is very necessary, so don't skip this step. After reinforcing, we have to step ahead. Now we have to add, we have started from 1 circle. Beading process, we have to add 11 seed beads to all of these 5 beads, bicones. First we added 3 gold 11 to 1 bead, then we pass through, we go to next and we added 2, and then again adding 2. In this way all of 5 beads we have to add 11 gold seed beads, and we will add at the end only 1. This is the last bead of 5. We have to add only 1 bead here at the end. In this way a little beaded seed beads part is added here. We have made it to add our earring wire here. We made this part and we gave a variation to our beaded bead. So Now we have to add one bicone and one seed bead albino in the middle of this seed beads circle which we made at the end. Seed beads circle of 5 seed beads we have to add in the middle of this seed bead circle. We have to add one bicone with one seed bead albino, and we will passing through these seed beads. We added it. Now our thread is coming from seed bead. At this point we are adding 9 more seed bead albino, gold albino. We are adding here a little string of beads, seed beads is there. We beaded, and now we have added our earring wire, hoop earring wire. And now after adding this wire we have picked one more seed bead albino, and now we are passing through all of 9 seed beads. We have to pass through all of 9 seed beads. We are passing through these seed beads. Now here, after passing through bicone, we are making here some knots, finishing knots. These are finishing knots. Here we will finish our beads work. We are completing our earrings making. Last step. Now we have to cut off the extra thread. We trimmed it, and now we will fine it with its end threads and with lighter flame. Now here are finally our earrings are ready. Our beaded bead earrings, very elegant, sparkly. Here are, for my lovely viewers, the final looks of today's project. Our elegant, sparkly beaded bead earrings, and final looks as usual. I have made with different colors backgrounds, and I hope you will enjoy all these videos and pics of today's project, beaded bead earrings pics and videos. And if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'm waiting for your subscriptions, likes and sharings. I need your likes and comments, so don't forget it. And it's your own channel, Somycrafty. Saminzi brings all tutorials with love for my lovely viewers. I always try to make it easier. Beaded jewelry, handmade jewelry. I wish everyone can bead it. Everyone can make it easily. So I hope today's project, today's video will be very useful for my viewers. I will say bye now. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.